In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Ghibli-style images using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, just go to your browser and then you'll have to go to ChatGPT. So search for this. Then just log in with your account. And now it's really simple. First, we just need to upload the image that we want to convert. So click on plus, which is over here. Then select upload from computer, which is here. And now select the image that you want to convert. So I'm selecting this for now and I'll click on open. So the image has come here and we have to give a prompt over here saying, can you convert this image to Ghibli style and do your best or something along those lines. So I'll do that now. So give a prompt like this and then just click on enter. Now you'll have to wait for a few minutes. As you can see, this image is generated, and if you want to make changes, then you can give one more prompt suggesting changes, but you can see it's pretty accurate. This is the original image and this is the one that they generated. So now to download it, just click on this download button that's on the top right. Then here you can select where you want to download it and the format will be PNG. So now just click on save, and if I open it, as you can see, this is the image. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.